It's time to wash the windows here. I waited till it was cloudy and overcast, but no threat of rain. So the screens are out and I have to wash these windows from the inside and the outside. These windows do tilt, but they're not that easy to tilt, this type of window. And the storm windows won't come out, so I just go in and out. It is a tad annoying, but at least it's the first floor. I can reach it with a ladder. But these are my essentials. The Spray-Away glass cleaner. This really is the best. And then I use the squeegee. I have to use the small one since I have these small panes, and you can see it fits right in here. So I spray, I squeegee, and then I use paper towels to wipe up any residual. I carry this paper bag around with me, and then I put all of the paper towels in the bag, and then I end up burning that. This method makes for streak-free glass. The first thing is everything has to be moved away from the windows. I always start from the top down. I already did this window to the left. I figured this will start here. Give it a good shake, and I just go across and give it an overall spray. Go across, I wipe the squeegee. Got the window lock to work around, so this one is a little fussier. I have to wipe it. Then I take a paper towel and I just get any residual off. So I just continue around, do the inside, and then I'll do the inside of the storm windows, and then I'll go outside. Now I'm doing the inside of the storms. Fortunately, these window sashes do open from the top. I bring this sash down as far as possible. I spray it lighter. I have to leave the storm open a little bit so that I can operate them from outside. Okay, they look pretty good. We're going to continue on. So I'm outside with my step ladder, my spray, the garbage bag. This is where I have to do the maneuvering. It's a little tedious, but just has to be done. Going to be inside for months. And we spend so much time in the kitchen. Then I do the outside of the storms, and then that's done. If you have to do some touch-up, use a dry paper towel. I'm all done with the windows. It took about an hour and a half. I did it inside and out, and now I have crystal clear windows so that I can enjoy since I spend so much time in the kitchen. Highly recommend the Sprayway. Not a sponsor or anything. It's just a great product. So if you want streak-free windows, this is the way to go. So please like and subscribe for more stuff happening in the kitchen. We'll be doing some more baking, bone broth, soups, braises, all kinds of things now that we're heading into the fall and winter season. Thanks for watching.